In this video, we're going to be comparing three different microphone quick releases. We have the Gravity quick release, the Gator Frameworks quick release, and the OnStage QK2B quick release. I've been using these for a while now, and they all three have their pros and cons, but I think there's one clear winner with all of them. So a microphone quick release allows you to thread a microphone onto the top and then thread the base onto your boom mic stand or just like a tabletop stand, and then you can easily just pull it off and remove it instead of unthreading your microphone every time you want to change threads or swap out a microphone. So it's really important that you get into one quick release system and you choose the best one. That way you can use it on all of your microphones and all of your stands. So out of the three of these, my personal favorite is the Gator Frameworks microphone quick release. And the reason I like this one the best is because once it's in, there's no wiggle, and it also has this indicator that's red that shows you if it's not fully locked into place. Like if you only get it halfway in like that, you see the red and you know that it's not going to stay locked in place and it could drop your microphone. Let's go over the three of these real quick. First we have the OnStage QK2B. I like how sleek and low profile this one is. It's made of brass. It's got this little button on it to pull it off. I like how small it is and that it's pretty unobtrusive. The biggest problem I have with this one is I've actually had it slip a few times and there's no indicator that tells you that it's locked into place. So I put a microphone on and it was hanging upside down and it fell off the stand. So that's what I don't like about this one. Other than that, it's great and you barely even notice it's on, especially if you put the little lever facing the back of your mic stand. They also make a great extender for use with the Rode PSA arm and a Shure SM7B. Really all three of these do that. But these are good. These are cheap as well. I think they're $12 or so, which comes in as the cheapest microphone quick release. But the fact that there's no indicator that tells you if it's fully locked into place makes this one a pass for me compared to the others. Next we have the Gravity quick release. I like how strong this one is. I like that it pops off with that. You can really tell if it's locked into place. What I don't like about this is there's a lot of wiggle within the top and the base of it. And I've got two of these, they're both the same way. So the wiggle makes it kind of obnoxious if you've got the microphone hanging upside down from a boom arm or something like that. What's cool is it has a removable adapter on the top, so it actually has 3/8 thread on the top, or you can put the adapter if you want to change it back to 5/8, which is what a lot of microphones use. So this one's strong. I've never had it drop a microphone, but there is a little bit of wiggle to it. So to me, I'm just not a big fan of that. I like everything to be solid and locked in place. So to me, the winner out of the three of these is the Gator Frameworks quick release. And I like this one because even when you feel it, it's the heaviest. It's a little bigger than the other ones, but it works great. It has that same sleeve that pulls down and you pop this out. The top is a little bit bigger than the others as well. It uses a hex shape and that helps it lock in place. Once it's in, it can't twist. And then you have this little red line that tells you when the red line is down, that means it's not locked and it can fall out. But once you don't see the red, that means it's locked into place and you know it's not going anywhere. So I've not had any issues with this one in dropping microphones or it just feeling unsturdy. The microphone has no play. It doesn't wiggle at all when it's on. The biggest con to this one is this one's $25. The Gravity one is $15 and the OnStage is $12 to $15 as well. So you're gonna pay more to get the Gator Frameworks ones. But one cool thing that Gator does is they allow you to buy just the tops. So you can buy a 5-pack of the tops. I think that's about $35. So if you have a bunch of microphones and not as many stands, you can stock up on the tops and put them on all your microphones, so it makes swapping them out quickly. So in conclusion, the OnStage one is great if you need the absolute cheapest. It also is probably the least obtrusive looking one of them all, but there's no way to tell that it's locked in place and it's a little bit harder to get it on, and I've seen it slip off many times, so I don't really recommend that one compared to the others. Next, the Gravity is strong, but it has the wiggle, which to me, that makes it a no-go. It is nice if you need that 3/8 thread without using an adapter though. If you're using your stand upright and not hanging it upside down as much, this might not be as big of a deal to you. This one also comes in at about $15 or $16, so it's in a good price range. And finally, we have my favorite, the Gator Frameworks one. This one is solid, it's more expensive, it's heavier though, and it just feels sturdy. There's no play at all with the quick release. So if you're looking for a quick release system for your microphones to get into, definitely get the Gator one. It's the sturdiest of them all, and it's gonna last you a long time. Also, you can buy the tops as a multi-pack. It's a little bit more expensive, but I would rather buy the nicer one once than have to try out all three of them and wish that you just went and bought the nicer Gator one. Thanks for watching this video. I have several mic reviews on my channel and lots of other great tech reviews on my channel that I hope you'll check out. Please subscribe to my channel and ask me any questions you have about these quick releases in the comments below.